This weep hole, you can see that we have some excess mortar in the top and bottom. So I'm going to take you through the steps on how you clear that out so you can fit in the full device. When setting your drill to clean out the weep hole, it's very important to do a few things. One, find yourself an end brick like this one here so you can see how deep your brick is. Because in the wall, behind these other bricks, are important parts of the wall structure, including insulation and vapor barrier and paper. And you don't want to mess with that. So it's important that when you set your drill, it does not extend deeper than the brick. So we use this as a gauge. So we can stop quite a bit short of that because rid of mice does not actually penetrate the full depth of the brick. So when setting your drill, make sure that you're not plugged in. There. So this is as far as I'm going to be able to drill in, and as you can see, I do not reach beyond the back of the brick, so I can't do any damage. So I'm just going to tighten that up, and then I'm going to plug in. If there's excess dust and bits inside, you can actually use the drill bit to help you draw them out. And if that's not enough, you can grab the household hand vac, or you can grab something the equivalent that's got a little more power, and you can clean out that hole.